forgot. I'm buying the saw now.
Gear up. We aren't going on a windy walk here.
I mean, it is really raining on this map.
Incendiary out.
Oh, Archie. Nice screw of kills.
Yeah, all through the smoke, baby.
Throwing fire.
All through the smoke.
Throwing fire.
And it was
All right.
their smoke.
Nearby hostage. 11 kills.
Ooh, someone just got sniped.
Incendiary out. Incendiary. Throwing fire. Incendiary out. Grenade counter-terrorist. Throwing fire.
Who the fuck? Was that you that got one home?
I grabbed the hostage, but I don't think I got time to get it back.
Damn. Got 11 in the smoke.
Come on, jump.
In the dark, in the rain.
Yeah, well. They want to throw a smoke. Oh, shoot.
Incendiary.
Nothing there.
Incendiary out.
That's weird. Wow.
They went low.
Oh, shit. Yeah, they're right in front of me. I'm not even realizing it. I'm being pushed to the faraway hostage.
Try to grab one nearby.
Oh, and there's a guy guarding him.
Oh,
Oh.
Incendiary out.
3 left. I grabbed the faraway.
alright.
That's a lot of thunder.
Incendiary out. Incendiary.
Alright, going through the fruit market.
Throwing fire.
Oh, we both have one.
Throwing fire. Incendiary.
Yeah, I'm a little far behind you, though.
Incendiary out.
Okay.
Throwing fire.
There's one guy left. The rescue zone is clear.
Hostage has been rescued. Counter-terrorists win.
Ooh, nice perch point.
Throwing fire.
I wonder where that last one was.
Stuck? I don't know. I didn't see him.
Yeah, they don't get stuck in this
Throwing
sucker.
fire.
No, I guess not.
Unless there's like a spot.
Incendiary. Incendiary out.
Alright.
Oh, there they are. Now they're by me.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Oh, snipe in the back.
Incendiary.
Oh, that's not cool. Snipe in the back.
Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
Got my revenge, though.
Throwing fire.
Oh, shit. It's so in the dark. I got sniped. I'm at our spawn. How the fuck does that help? And I got shot.
Nearby. Yeah, there's this. Oh.
Yeah, there's a guy.
Yeah, he's right behind me. He's on my 6.
Oh, the guy at the hostage rescue zone. It just keeps killing me. Oh, yeah, he's coming out. 19 health. Yeah, you're safe. There's a guy on your right, but you're going to beat him. Yeah. Sniper. Nice.
Next.
How the fuck did I get 4 kills? I think I died 4 times.
How did I only get 1?
Yeah, I looked up. It didn't make sense to me.
This isn't a killing house anymore. Incendiary out. This is real life.
And I don't like having that map on here either.
I need that map, and it's just I don't play this map often, just because it doesn't have that radar map, mini map on it. Oh, he came out to say hi. They're all over the place, all over the fruit mart.
Incendiary out. Throwing fire.
think I hear him in the house.
I just came out of the house.
Okay. Alright, I'm going for the nearby.
Yeah, I'm trying to clear our spawn here.
It's the only place on the whole map where it's not raining.
Incendiary. Throwing fire.
Alright, we got one guy in our spawn. Nope. Scratch that.
Oh! I saw the other guy. He's up the long staircase over here on my side.
Incendiary.
Not the hallway.
Throwing fire.
The route you usually go.
Up top.
Thank you.
Incendiary out.
Yeah, he's up there. Surprised we haven't caught these fuckers trying to shoot through the house yet.
That's not like the bomb map. The bomb map is brutal.
Throwing fire.
Paper mache walls.
Throwing fire. Incendiary.
Oh, nothing by me. Oh,
Incendiary out.
They were low.
Incendiary.
I'm pushing towards you.
oh, they're coming after me through the fruit market now.
Fucking sniping little asshole.
Throwing fire.
Oh my god, they're all up in the nearby house. Oh,
Well, that sucked.
that's their one win.
That was a good round. They were all over.
Yeah, they spread out. They actually used, well, what appeared to be strategy.
Throwing fire.
Alright, I'm gonna go through the house.
I haven't gone through there really. Not yet.
Incendiary. Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Oh, that hurt you guys.
Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
I'm getting a nearby hostage. Oh, didn't save
shot
you.
in the back.
Throwing a grenade.
They're very disrespectful that way.
Throwing smoke.
Alright, I'm taking a hostage through the house.
Incendiary.
I think a sniper was trying to shoot me back there. Oh, and shoot
Oh
you.
my god.
Incendiary.
There's two guys that are spawned.
Throwing fire. Laying down smoke.
That was smoke. Oh, crap.
I don't see smoke.
Incendiary
I had
out.
it, and I tossed it towards the
They're
fruit
both
market.
to your right. Right.
Throwing fire.
Oh,
Throwing fire.
Okay, don't worry about the guy behind you right now.
and now you can kill me.
Excuse me. Didn't mean to do that in your ear.
Don't worry, it was both ears, so it was in stereo.
Oh, yeah, I
So it's
suppose.
Go, go, go.
That's okay then. I can't tell which way you go because there's no mini map up there.
Yeah, I'll let you know if I go over your
Incendiary
way.
out. Incendiary.
Nothing by me?
Fire.
Oh, they all went low on me.
Okay, I'm in the house.
Throwing fire. Throwing a grenade.
Oh,
Incendiary out.
incredible. Oh, we're wiped out.
I am at our spawn.
I'm in the fruit market.
Throwing fire.
Do you get a hostage?
I'm going for the faraway hostage. The nearby hostage looks rather fucked. Oh, and they're guarding this one too. I'm dead. You're alone. There's 10 of them. I think you got it. There's no map. So there's a couple by the faraway hostage. They're all scattered out pretty good from what I can see. You. All right. Well, they might be coming for you. If you kill them all, we win the round.
Throwing fire.
There's 3 on the left, 1 on the right. That's the one on the right. Yeah, fruit market's clear, but you got like 30 seconds to get a hostage. Alright, you'll see, well, the hallway looks clear, but they're guarding that little faraway hostage. And then came out right out of nowhere.
Jesus
It was
Christ.
10 of them. Damn piano right in my ear. Yeah. The coughing I don't mind. It's that piano in my ear.
Right, going through the house.
Alright, yeah, right in front of me.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Nothing by the fruit market.
Throwing fire.
Oh, they went low.
Incendiary. Throwing
Again.
fire. Incendiary out. Incendiary out.
You know, I'm considering the faraway hostage right now.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Oh,
I'm moving with a hostage.
God, that was a loud clap of thunder.
Incendiary out.
Damn it, Arch.
Throwing fire.
fruit marks
Oh, you are.
empty.
That's where I'm coming. Well, you got that done just in the nick of time.
Incendiary.
Oh, there's one guy left. We're about to switch sides.
Throwing fire.
Tennis shoes tied up on the wire.
Hostage has been rescued. Counter-terrorists win.
And we give them a spanking.
Demo master.
Yeah. Well, no fire damage. That's kind of disappointing.
Oh, I've seen worse from you.
Every other map but this one. Alright, we gotta stop them now. Oh, I'm a solo act. Alright.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Oh yeah, by me. See how far they get.
I'm on my way.
Throwing fire. Throwing them. Throwing fire.
Huh. We got 2 kills out of all that.
I'm throwing fire.
I think I just saw how much the class stand on.
Oh shit!
I can't. No, I can't find it.
I got killed.
Yeah, look up, dude. Look behind you. Up.
Oh, you got up there.
Yeah, it's like I'm on the ring cutter.
Yeah, barely. Oh yeah, it looks like you're floating midair right now. Oh, someone didn't patch that perfectly. I thought there was another spot over here you could do that too.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Yeah, right here. Hostage is being taken. Can you believe that? We're fucking around and they're playing the game.
This area is clear.
I guess he was.
All right.
Yeah, I was gonna say fruit mark.
Come on, let's go. Slow enough. Throwing fire. Slow enough.
There's nothing.
All right. I'm keeping the fruit mark on fire.
Throwing fire.
Oh, 5 kills. There we go. Oh,
Well, I can tell you they're not coming through the house.
I'm throwing fire. Throwing fire.
yeah, their days are numbered now.
I think the last guy's fucker.
Poor Ava.
Almost got me.
Almost got me.
Throwing fire.
I was actually surprised she missed.
No one told you.
Yeah, when you hear the sniper shot and it shoots and you're still alive, it's like, wow, I got a freebie.
I take it they all went with you.
Yeah, they all
Oh,
followed
shit.
me, but don't tell me they all went your way. Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
based on how your health is declining.
Oh,
Yeah.
they're pissed.
Well, that's not me.
I'm throwing fire.
I'm harmless. I'm guarding the nearby hostage.
Molotov.
I assume they're going to come for it. God, they're all still alive.
I'm throwing fire. Molotov. Throwing fire. I'm throwing fire. Molotov.
All right, I see you rounding the corner.
Throwing fire. Molotov. I'm throwing fire. Molotov.
Yeah. Apparently, a saw is not a good gun to have.
Oh, I love that gun.
Throwing fire.
And you can run so fast with it. Oh, they made it inside, little fuckers. All right, they got... Oh,
Oh,
Archie.
my God. Are you kidding me? I can't see him in the dark.
Yeah, it is hard to see them.
Throwing fire.
Rain, dark.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire. Guard. Throwing fire. Guard. I'm throwing fire. Throwing fire. Molotov. 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 Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Well, they're running out of time.
Where the hell are you? Well, if you're up there...
Guard.
Oh, you found him.
Fire.
Yeah.
Rick saw. Nice.
Yeah, he was right at the railing,
Molotov.
admiring the fire.
He should have gone for the other hostage.
I'm throwing fire. Throwing fire. Molotov.
Maybe he didn't want that.
Yeah, didn't want to win.
Looks like I got half.
Throwing fire.
Okay.
Molotov. I'm throwing fire. Throwing fire. Guard.
Well, I'm going in the house, and this might be a bad idea.
Molotov.
I just went through the house.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It's nice in here. Ooh. I came out of the house and died. Oh, shit. That street is fucked. So dark. Fucker, maybe use bullets.
I'm guessing I went by myself.
Sure sounds like it.
I got two over here.
All right. Oh, we got shooting. Guys did not choose wisely here. Oh yeah, they're in the fruit market, all right. They're sitting back and taking pot shots at us.
Yeah, well, I ain't going about the back door.
Well, then I'm turning that place into an incinerator. Oh, they got me.
Yeah, he got me before he got you.
Oh.
Not even sure where he came from.
Fuck it, it's so dark in there. I can't see what I'm shooting at. Finally. Now you got some company.
Oh yeah, I got all of them. Oh, that explains why. I mean, don't you love when you burn them and then the mods get the score up of it?
Yeah, that is. I love that. You're like softening them up for the easy kill.
Alright, well, that's about the whole damn team.
One left. He's not grabbing a hostage.
Alright, I guess I'll go look for them.
Well, I'm cutting through the. Oh, there you go. That wasn't so bad.
Sniper.
I gotta think of a map now that's not dark and rainy.
Yeah, it's just about every other map.
Yeah, just about.